You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word, but how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name, the name of this famous, super famous appellation of wine from Spain. If you want to learn more from Spanish wine, stay tuned. There are many more videos for you. Stay tuned. The Spanish pronunciation, you need to hear how it's pronounced in Spanish. Ribera del Duero. Duero is the river. Ribera means the bank or the banks of the Duero River. Ribera del Duero. That's your Spanish pronunciation. If you cannot pronounce Spanish perfectly, if you cannot roll the R, trail the R, you say Ribera, Ribera, Ribera del Duero. Duero. Ribera del Duero is the English pronunciation, let's say, from Spanish. Ribera del Duero. It's easy. Once you know, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.